Want to live in a brand new condo in downtown Toronto, but don't want to wait another 3-4 years? Do we have a choice? Hi, this is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. In Best Buy of this week, I'm introducing you one condo assignment in the heart of downtown Toronto. Let's first take a look at its location. So we are at the intersection of Yonge and Jarvis. So if you are very familiar with downtown Toronto, you must know this is actually a very exciting area. Not only we have walking score and commute score close to 100, we've got all the access to restaurants, shopping malls, boutique stores, and all sorts of different entertainment. We are only 4 minutes walking distance to Ryerson University, and to George Brown, it's also just 10 minutes away. And if you go to school in OCAD, that's going to take you 8 minutes by bicycle. University of Toronto St. George campus, that's also just 13 minutes by bike. Not only that, this condo also comes from one of the most prestigious and largest Canadian developer, Menkes. So Menkes has been around for 60 years. There's lots of iconic buildings, projects are coming from Menkes. For example, Harbour Plaza and Four Seasons Hotel, and all these award-winning projects are very well known by Canadians and by Torontoans. So when we talk about Menkes, immediately it means good quality. So this is one of the developer brands that everybody can trust on. This is also one of the reasons I like to recommend this product, especially for overseas investors or overseas buyers. And if you are not familiar with Canadian developers, the best practice is choose those ones who's really established and has lots of good reputation beforehand. Okay, let's take a look at the unit itself. This is a 2-bedroom unit. It's quite large. We've got over 600 square feet, and we're only asking for $768,000. So in today's market, a lot of those hotspot condos are closing to even $1,768,000. It's actually quite a bargain. Not only that, this price is over $70,000 less than the developers' closeout units selling price in recent market. A wonderful thing about this unit is its great layout. So when we look at it, you can see it's almost a perfect rectangular shape. All right, 2 bedrooms, both are quite sizable. We've got 1 washroom, and the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room is an open concept. It's very functional. I don't see almost any space wasted on pure corridors. And another really highlight point about this unit is that it's a corner unit. So when we look at this building, you can see we are actually at the northeast corner. So that's why, of course, this is a mirror shape, but you can see the windows are from both sides. This one towards the bigger bedroom, the living room, but the other bedroom also has a window. So it's actually very livable, and you will have lots of natural light, and I believe you will also have beautiful view as well. Okay, this is pretty much about this unit. We are calling for $768,000. You don't need to bid. However, it is first come, first serve. But if this is not what you want, don't worry. Any recent purchase plan, please feel free to talk to me. I can cater the property search for you to include not just those great properties from MLS, but also some super valued off-market properties. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Bye-bye.